What if I told you that a groundbreaking medical breakthrough could end insulin injections forever for millions of people with type 1 diabetes? It sounds like science fiction, but Chinese scientists have just achieved something remarkable, successfully reversing type 1 diabetes using stem cell therapy. Stay tuned to learn how this life-changing procedure could transform the future of diabetes treatment. In a world-first medical breakthrough, Chinese researchers have managed to reverse type 1 diabetes in a 25-year-old woman from Tianjin, China. After more than a decade of battling the chronic condition, she hasn't needed insulin injections for over a year, thanks to a revolutionary stem cell transplant using her own reprogrammed cells. The minimally invasive procedure, performed by scientists from Tianjin First Central Hospital and Peking University, took just 30 minutes. They used chemically induced pluripotent stem cells, CiPSCs, derived from her body fat cells, transforming them into insulin-producing islet cells. These were then implanted into her abdominal muscles. A unique approach that allowed doctors to monitor the cells closely and retrieve them if needed. What makes this technique truly groundbreaking is that the cells came from the patient's own body, eliminating the risk of immune rejection. Traditional islet cell transplants from deceased donors often require lifelong immunosuppressants. But this method bypasses that hurdle entirely. In just 2.5 months post-surgery, her body began producing enough insulin naturally, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels for over 98% of the day. The results stunned the global medical community. James Shapiro, a transplant expert from the University of Alberta, called the case nothing short of stunning, highlighting that the patient no longer requires external insulin. The patient herself shared her excitement, saying, "I can eat sugar now." She even enjoys foods like hot pot that were previously off-limits. This breakthrough follows a similar success earlier this year when a 59-year-old man with type 2 diabetes in Shanghai underwent a similar stem cell transplant. Both cases point to a promising future for diabetes treatment, though experts caution that larger clinical trials are essential to confirm long-term effectiveness. Looking ahead, the Chinese research team plans to expand their trials to 10 to 20 more patients. They're hopeful this method could eliminate the need for immunosuppressants altogether in future procedures. Meanwhile, other global research efforts are gaining momentum. For example, Vertex Pharmaceuticals in Boston recently reported success using donor stem cells to create insulin-producing islets for diabetes patients. While a diabetes cure may still be years away, this stunning achievement brings new hope for millions worldwide. Could this be the beginning of a future where insulin injections become a thing of the past? Stay tuned for more groundbreaking medical updates. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible scientific breakthroughs.